Welcome to the Creating a Staff Profile training module in HotHealth. In this module, you'll learn how to set up staff profiles and control how your team members appear on your site. We'll guide you through adding, editing, and organizing staff details to keep profiles accurate and engaging. To start, from the home screen, click Staff Profiles. Here, you can view all existing staff profiles, access the Staff Profile Settings button and use the New Staff Profile button to create a new entry. Let's begin by viewing an existing staff profile. Simply click on a profile to see when it was created and last updated. From here, you can edit or duplicate the profile. The duplicate option is especially useful when the setup matches another staff member's details, making it quicker to create a new account. Now, return to the staff list and open the settings. In this section, you can update the section name, toggle the section's visibility, show or hide staff profile pictures, set permissions for who can manage the section, and enter allowed categories to group staff members based on their specialization. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Next, let's add a new staff profile. Go back to the Staff Profile section and click New Staff Profile. As noted in the manager's instructions, the category and services fields will only appear if you've already listed allowed categories in the Staff Profile settings. In the About section, set the account status to either active or blocked and review any notes or instructions provided. You can also choose whether the profile is visible or hidden in the Staff Profile section. Add the staff member's name and preferred display name. You can match it to the full name above, or enter it as free text if a different display name is preferred. Alternatively, you can select the on-duty doctor. Then, complete the remaining details. Title, gender, email, default location, qualifications, specialty, category, services offered, a short bio, and the display image. You can also set up appointment pricing. Select the appointment types offered. Specify whether new patients are accepted, and set the duration for each appointment. Once an appointment type is selected, you can set different service prices for each category and patient status. For example, new clients might have the same price for in-person, telephone and video consultations, while existing clients or follow-up appointments might be charged at a lower rate. You may require clients to complete a form before their scheduled appointment. If the desired form isn't listed, click the hyperlink to create a new one. For detailed instructions on creating forms, see our How to Manage Forms training video. We also offer other optional settings such as charge extra fees if an appointment exceeds its set duration, set a rescheduling cutoff time and fee, and set a cancellation cutoff time and fee. Next, in the Appointment Availability Times section, you can add your availability. Follow the on-screen format instructions to fill in the schedule. Finally, in the Appointment Unavailability section, set the date range during which you will not be available for appointments. Once all information is complete, click Create to save the new staff profile. You've now learned the complete process for setting up and creating a staff profile, from viewing existing entries to adding new ones and customizing details. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.